in case I
Does it need any condition or the greenhouse in condition?
it is okay. Okay, because here you have to control epi. Because now it's seedling bias free. Okay, from here just like plant lab from tissue culture, and you have to keep out of the virus. Okay, so this is very important. And then, okay, so for demonstration. Okay, indications. So the reason why we keep here, keep the keep put here and then put in the cold refrigerator. That way it keeps a longer time, so you can use next year too. So normally what we do, if this is 1,000, we don't put 1,000. We just each clone we have 26 clones, something like that. I will plant, let's say, one bed each, 26, and then next year you see some clones very good, then we take out that clones more, plant more, because all of the combination not the best for this climate condition. Okay? Understand?
Yes.
Okay, any questions?
I have a seedling from Kara seed.
You have Kara hybrid?
No, from the collected. Yes, actually we have only you can say self-pollination because not many cultivars around there was flowering. It is from self-pollination.
Can I get some? To try out.
I have some from Spont.
Okay.
I will give you some from Spont.
I have Tara before.
If there's some give me, okay, try out.
I think how many-
Good and bring down.
Dr. I have from Kara, but since 4 years. So,
So,
these are 26.